In this video, we will see how to create a web page with two columns as displayed in the screen, where the number of lines in each column are different, whereas the background color or the column size is equal to the size of the biggest column. For that, first let me try to create a class called table column. Inside this div class, I am going to give a header for the column and a paragraph element. To distinguish between the columns, let us provide the background color for the first column as yellow, and within this div class, as mentioned, we will have the header. Simply I am going to say column 1, and a paragraph that shall be displayed below this column 1 shall just say hello from column 1. So this class table cell is holding the column related header and paragraph. I am going to replicate this table cell class and slightly change the background color to orange so that we can differentiate the second column from other columns. Here we have to expand our columns so that the size of column 1 and column 2 will be different. So I am adding few more paragraphs so that each of these classes are of different sizes. I'll also create column 3. And its background color is yellow. So at this level, when we preview it, we could see 3 columns which are with background colors as provided, and their sizes are different and they are placed one after the other. Now we will see how to place 3 columns side by side and the size shall be same. That is how to get the equal height irrespective of the elements in their column. For that, let us put all these 3 columns inside a container called table container. So we are basically creating a container which holds the complete table, and each table has these columns which are of varying length. In order to make as a equal height table, we will go to the styling portion, and for the container we will give the display element as table. This will ensure that the display format is as table and width shall be 100% so that whole width of the screen will be utilized by the table container, and the class table cell will be taking a display as table cell. So the class table cell is taking the style of table cell inside the container which is display element of table. This way we could have all our 3 columns displayed side by side and their height is adjusted to the height of the biggest column, that is column 2 here. And this is very easily achieved by using the display element. For the container, the display element is table, and for within each table it is becoming a display of table cells.